I'm going to start plastering today. I've never done this before in my life, so wish me luck. My dad, who of course is featuring heavily in these videos, he's a builder, retired, but given me some pointers. I've got some plastering gear. We didn't do the best job in the world of this jibbing because of course we are complete amateurs. Ideally, you want the nails to go just below the surface like that, so that you run that over it. You can't hear the nail clinking. Now there's ones like that one which that's no good. So I'm not going to use the drill because I don't want to drill it in too far. I don't want to break the surface. So yeah, I'm just going to get a screwdriver. Any ones like that. Just put them in a little bit. It's going to take a lot of doing because every single one of these nails has to have plaster over it, make it nice and smooth. Apart from these edges, which are going to have tape on. There's the other little thing, like that's where an electrical socket's going to go, so I'm not going to plaster over that. Apparently it has been known for people to do that. There's little chips and stuff like that that I'm gonna fill in.
Oh,
Ooh, sloppity slop, like put your face in it. I have this board here, which apparently you can buy them, but my dad made this himself. Just get a scoop like that, dollop it on there, and then I sort of use that. I can sort of mix it as needed. You can mix a little bit of water in if you need to, but
or do you like smudge it onto the wall?
Easy or otherwise, so you sort of want to go along like that, and then back the other way. Feeling a bit professional. So see that one? You can hear that, so I need to screw that in just a little bit. And you can let me know if there's any that need. Slop it down, make sure it gets all in there, slop it down, do it one way, and then do it another way, because it's a crisscross pattern there. You need to make sure it gets in from all angles. And then like sweep it to the side. In the nail hole. So I'll explain a wee bit what I'm doing here. The reason I'm putting it all down there is because, as you may have noticed, we're not professional jib layers. And some of the jib, this sheet, is sticking up just a little bit further than that one, only by, a couple of mil, but of course, I'm planning on painting this, and it's not going to look so great having a gap there, so I'm actually just getting the plaster and just trying to slather it down a bit. Yeah, just makes the wall a little bit more even. So some of the screw holes, I've actually noticed there, especially like the first ones I've done over on that wall, they've actually just started indenting a little bit, so it could have been that I actually didn't put enough on, or there might have been a little air bubble or something trapped in there, which is why you do it in all different directions to try and avoid that. But that's not a biggie. I'm just going to let them dry and then I'll just go over them again. So now, just quietly, I just want to say, I started off today not knowing what on earth I was doing, and now I am actually a professional plasterer. I'm going to make myself a certificate. It's going to be awesome. I make good certificates actually, so. So with our combined effort, probably mostly my dad if I'm being honest, that is the jibbing done and sanded and looking amazing. My job, which I have been doing, is to get in with a dust brush and a vacuum and trying to get all the dust off of this so that I can actually start painting it. So yeah, hit like, comment, subscribe, and we'll keep you posted.